Ewan ko pero I feel like Moss Burger is still underrated. But for me, ever since talaga I tried their Wagyu burger, eto na yung naging go-to and honestly standard ko na rin for fast food burgers. Trust me, it's so good kasi. And you would think na mahal siya kasi nga Wagyu, but actually it's pretty affordable. So yun na nga, andito kami ngayon sa Eastwood branch ng Moss Burger and decided to have brunch here. And wala solid pa rin talaga yung burgers nila. Even yung nanay ko na first time dito liked it kasi ang lambot daw ng buns. So of course we got their Wagyu burger, the cheesy bacon and egg Wagyu burger, and the cheesy bacon Wagyu burger. Egg lang yung difference sila, pero for me the egg makes a huge difference. Makes for a well-balanced burger, at least for me, as in saltiness and sweetness of the pepper sauce is countered by the egg, tapos crispy bacon for texture, and yung patty, very juicy. Build up ko yung burger ng Moss, no? Pero kasi for me, deserve masarap pa rin, never disappoints. I think my only comment talaga is very bitin siya. Small lang yung portion, 2 bites pa lang, half na yung burger ko. So I just wish sana may quarter pounder option na si Moss. Another must try here is the beef yakiniku rice burger. If you want rice kesa mag-buns. Very flavorful yung yakiniku, thinly sliced yung beef. It's sweet, salty, countered by the rice. Sarap to and nakakabusog siya. Large meal na pala in order namin, so it includes a serving of fries and drink. They serve UCC coffee here, so sobrang plus nun. And yung coffee with no sugar nila, grabe ang tapak. UCC talaga.
And para na rin mas ma-enjoy niyo yung Wagyu burger nyo, pakita nyo lang to Wagyu Joe, sagot ko na yung 10% nyo.
Underrated, pero for me, it deserves all the love. Sarap ng Moss Burger in fairness. Enjoy!